as much as what's happening right now than an ant does. We share a planet. We share the actual DNA with an ant. Like we're all like.
Question for you. I leave here right now. We go down the street. I'm like looking at my phone, not paying attention. I look up. There's music playing, whatever. I'm looking around, and it's a giant ant driving the Uber. And he has antennas.
Are
and
you asking what I would do?
Yes.
I would just look at the ant carefully, make for sure. No, that's not gonna like just look back and kill me because it's a fucking giant
ant. His head is huge.
Giant ant in the sense of like
a human size, but a big human.
Bradley Martin ant.
And he turns to you, bro, and he goes like this. He goes. That's what he says to you.
But the car's still driving straight.
Driving straight, and you go to him and you're like, sir, I'm sorry, I don't know what you just said. He's like,
okay. Instantly, my heart rate would start going.
Right.
I'd be fucking terrified, and I would keep it cool. I wouldn't talk. I'd be super. People would be asking me, "What's wrong?" You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I would just no, nothing. I'm just tired. I would give it one of those, but I would automatically assume I got drugged.
So you try to play it off
with some kind of psychedelic.
Then you come to the gate, and I open the gate, and it's me with my clothes, my Yeezys on. No, and I'm a giant ant too. And I'm like,
when you're talking, the way you talk.
Like, no. I'm just like this. But also, like,
how would I know it's you if you don't sound like you?
Because I have my clothes, and I show you my phone, and it says @HeyBigBuddy.
It still would.
Or my name is @HeyBigA.
I would probably look back at you and talk to the ant and say, "Can you please, for the love of God, bring me to my room?"
Say you come home. You come in. No one says anything to you. There's no one here.
There's no one here.
You come in. You open the door to your room. And London and Paris won over, and they're little ant dogs. And they're like this.
You know what I would do?
What?
Walk out, close the door. I'd say, but I would peek my head and say, "I love you guys." To the ants, I would say, "I love you. I love you. I'll see you. Bye. Bye. I would make sure it's a good temperature. If it's not, if it's too cold, I'd flick on probably the fireplace, open up the windows. If it was too hot, I close them, crank up AC, make sure they're good. They have water. If they're still little ants, I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you. Probably touch one of them. If it's like an ant, it would. My heart rate would increase. I would bounce, obviously.
So go back.
I would go to the theater room by myself and just sleep.
Okay.
Okay. That's it.